In this video, I want to show how ALTR enables dynamic data masking, so you can protect sensitive data in real time without breaking analytics or slowing down your business. One of the biggest challenges teams face today is balancing access with protection. You want users, and increasingly AI systems, to get value from data, but not at the expense of exposing sensitive info like PII or financial data. Too often, this leads to over-permissioning or duplicated data sets, making it harder to maintain control over how data is actually being used. In ALTR, dynamic masking is driven entirely by policy at the tag or the column level. You can define who gets access to what data and under what conditions. Let's take a look at an example of a tag-based masking policy in ALTR. You can create rule statements that define role, tag name or tag name and value, as well as masking behavior. Masking behavior can be partial redaction or full obfuscation. You can also add powerful rate limiting rules that will send notification and possibly detain certain users when access exceeds defined volume and time thresholds. Least privileged access is enforced for all roles who are not explicitly defined within policy rules. Once saved, this policy is enforced automatically across the entirety of your environment. Now let's see that policy in action. Here I'm querying a table in Snowflake with sensitive data like PII. As an authorized user, I see only data I'm entitled to see based on role-based policy set by ALTR. When I run the exact same query as a different user, those same fields are dynamically masked based on the policy we just created. No SQL changes, no data duplication, everything is enforced at query time. This is an example of dynamic masking in Snowflake, but the same approach extends to Databricks as well. This gives you real control over how data is consumed. You can enforce least privileged access, reduce exposure risk, and ensure sensitive data is only ever used in the right context, whether that be by users or AI systems. As your AI adoption grows, that level of control becomes essential. With ALTR, you don't have to choose between access and protection. You get both, with the control modern data teams require. To see dynamic masking in the full ALTR platform in action, visit us at altr.com/product-tour or reach out to us directly for a personalized walkthrough.